And this is my Jeep, a quick update for where we're at right now. And I did run into another problem, a code P0442, small evap leak.
My Jeep update, and it is Tuesday, October 3rd, another month gone by, and I went for another drive for the break-in, and I'm up to 292. Everything seems to be doing great on the differential break-in, and I did have a code pop up, a P0442, which is small evap leak. So it looks like I may have to do another smoke test to figure that one out. Got a new gas cap already I got a couple months ago, and we'll see. We'll just have to look into that and see what's causing it, because there's a number of issues. It could be one of the hoses, because I didn't replace every hose, just most of them, but there's still several that I gotta check out. Okay, that's an update for now. My Jeep out. Okay, it's my Jeep. We got our flagpole fitted all the way out. I believe it's about 30 feet. The wind's blowing good.